Oh, you're such a cute sheep. Such a pretty sheep. You're such a cute sheep. Hey guys, welcome to another video where today I am again playing Mineplex. And with my little sheepy sheep. It's a little sheep, so cute! Okay.
Stop! Do not use any.
Ah!
Okay.
No, too long.
Ugly Gwen.
Okay, so the first thing that I want to play, how to get to the go to lobby menu. Go to lobby menu.
Lobby menu.
That's parties.
Lobby menu. No, lobby menu.
Now now click on lobby 10 and you'll be there.
It's server 10.
No, this is a lobby, not a server.
I want to get my timer.
Okay.
No, just play and it'll be 15 minutes.
Yeah.
You've started it?
Yeah, I started the video. My sheepy sheep. My little sheep. Oh wait, that's not my sheep. That's not my sheep.
Oh,
Sheep.
Sheep out.
Sheep.
What is that?
Where'd my sheep go?
There you go. I want to play Master Builders, okay?
Lydia, hold on. That is my sheep.
I'm going to play Master
Actually, I was hoping you would play Block Hunt
Builders.
with me.
Block Hunt. Block Hunt is fun.
Cookie Town.
Hey, look, a sheep was funny.
The one with 16 people on it.
18. Join. Okay, hey, Tim.
Hi. I'm going to stay Swapper.
Hold on. I want to be a fighter.
Click
on blue. Lydia, you're a hunter.
Whoa!
Oh, now you're a hider.
Woo!
Tim, go over to the pigs. Lydia will be there. Lydia's a pig.
And I
And a cake. You're still a cock.
go up as... No, I should really go down.
Morph into a flower pot. And then go onto the desk in the other room. Get on. Use all your fireworks and
Whoever comes in will get shot. Yeehaw. Beat it, beat that, beat it, bo, bo. Bop, beat it, bo, no. Beat it, yo. Yeah, that chicken is a person. Chicken sent up firework. Hey, that's not a hunter, man. You only attack hunters.
Tim, don't kill me though.
Oink! I'm not a hunter. At least not yet. Shoot him, and you'll get an upgrade to your... That was miss. Very miss.
Even if I just shoot him. reason.
I am so good at legit hiding. I am so hidden well, nobody sees me. Hit the chickens! He's like, hit the chickens!
No,
Run, little piggy! Run, little piggy!
Why
Run
did that
like the wind!
change?
Are you a swapper hider?
No.
Or no? If you want a swapper hider,
I'm a hunter.
I'm just...
You're G&G hunter. Oh, I'm a hunter.
The water is deadly.
Not to hunters. Ah!
Yes, it is.
You're being shot. See, look. Someone's shooting him.
There's a block on the ship. Get it.
Yes, Tim is in the house on a disc.
No, I'm not.
No,
You lies. David, you lies. No!
Huh? The house is small. A 2-layered house.
Lies.
Ow!
You got hit by something. There are things you can't transform into. Hey, look, there was a block running.
Tim's a flower pot in the house. Look, it's
Yay, I won! I won!
Yes,
Yes, I won. I won. I won and I was a flower pot.
Can we do
Ha!
Master Builders now? You got to choose this one.
Sure, we can do Master Builders, but Master Builders, doesn't it take a while? Here. Return to hub. Bang.
I'm gonna go over
Wait for me, Lydia. You're in lobby 9, right? Nobody's going to play Master.
First one.
Yes, the first one. You can only be a builder. That's the only freaking kit. The only kit.
And literally no. Yeah, that's the only thing you really need. And only pedestals. I wonder what it will be that you'll have to build. Whatever it is.
Just like, yay.
Wonder what we get to build.
Winter Wonderland. Okay, Bill. Bug.
Bug.
Just put a bunch of silverfish down.
No, make his car. Make Daddy's car. It's a bug.
Type in silver.
No. I get to build. Daddy's car is a bug. Make Daddy's car.
Yes. Good job.
Woo!
Silverfish is now looking at me.
Particles. I place flame because I can. Who's going to... I have silverfish and particles.
Daddy's old car. We have 3 minutes left.
Yeah. Video edition.
I am making a video.
He's also in
We are doing video.
How do you ask to play on the computer? Oh. I forgot. No, they have not. Have you asked to use electronics?
Whoa.
No, I was. Has everybody finished their chores?
Yeah.
We did finish the dishes. The dishes are kind of chores. Yes.
What's that supposed to be?
A
Daddy's
bug?
car. Oh. No. Has anybody done their flashcards? Anybody?
No.
Nope.
B. Go back, press enter. B. Enter. Or press done. No, that looks weird. Yeah, just do black eyes. Make its antenna. The fences. Or purple.